Welcome to Salt Edge. We're a company that have grown beautifully over the last 10 years. We now have around 150 people in offices in Canada, in London, in Bucharest, in Milan, and in Chisinau. So we do consider ourselves a truly global business. When it comes to using open banking for payments, the benefits are many. Let's look at this first of all from the consumer's perspective. Number one, it's very secure. They can make the payment and it's a push payment and it's consented with all of the strong customer authentication from their own bank app or their own online web banking. This means people are needing to use their own biometrics or their own security to push a payment to the person that they're paying. That is beyond doubt much safer than leaving card details online. The second thing is the speed of the payment. It takes seconds to transfer money from an account to an account. Now, whilst this is brilliant for the consumer, actually it's the merchant that ends up really benefiting because they have cash in the bank. The one thing open banking does without fail is reduce debtor days. It means if you can find a way to get money into your bank quicker and with less fees, you've won. So as far as the merchant's concerned, the ability to get cash in their bank immediately and quickly at lower costs and much lower fees generally is a win. So open banking for payments in the right use case is perfect. One other thing to factor in when you're talking about using open banking for payments is the growth rate. Every single day, more and more people are using open banking to make payments. And it's not just the merchant that ends up winning, it's actually the consumer because it's safer, it's quicker, and it's faster. And anything that reduces fraud or chargebacks, especially for the merchant, is a benefit to their entire business case. One other important factor with payments is the proof, which is in statistics. In July this year alone, the open banking entity reported that over 11.4 million payments were made. That's over 100% up on the same period last year. One of the things that absolutely proves is that choice is critical. As payments become, with open banking, more and more prevalent, consumers will warm to it, they'll find it easier, and many times we hear stories where once somebody's used open banking to make a payment once, they will continue to do it again. Now this is the inevitable journey of evolution of open banking payments. So when you're considering whether or not you should add open banking as a payment method, the answer is yes. Choice is critical, consumers are demanding it, consumers are getting used to it, and the benefits to you as a business are huge. The future for Salt Edge is one that we find really interesting. Everything we've learned over the last 10 years will help us grow over the next 10 years and beyond. There are new markets and new territories, new regulations with PSD3. For example, the United Arab Emirates, America, Canada, further expansion in Brazil, and many other areas of the world are all on our radar. We intend to grow as the economy for open banking grows, and we hope you can join us in that journey.